Stay limber, understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay limber. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, but it's quite handy in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay limber is an idiomatic expression in English. The word limber refers to being flexible and agile, not just physically but also in a metaphorical sense. When someone says, stay limber, they're advising you to remain flexible or adaptable in different situations. This phrase is often used in contexts where being open to change or ready to adapt is beneficial. The phrase, stay limber, likely originates from physical exercise and fitness contexts. In physical fitness, being limber means having flexible muscles that are not stiff. Over time, this term began to be used in a broader context to imply mental and situational flexibility. Example 1. Adapting to change. Situation. Your friend is worried about moving to a new city for a job. Usage. I know it's a big change, but try to stay limber. You might end up loving the new city. Example 2. Remaining open-minded. Situation. During a brainstorming session at work. Usage. Let's stay limber with our ideas. The best solution might be something we haven't thought of yet. Example 3. Physical context. Situation. Before starting a yoga class. Usage. Remember to stay limber and stretch properly to avoid injuries. Stay limber is a versatile phrase that you can use in various contexts, from encouraging adaptability to promoting open-mindedness. It's a reminder to be flexible and ready for change, both physically and mentally. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and stay limber in your language learning journey.